Welcome to Papyrus Plans. I'm Tasha. Ready to create something beautiful? Let's dive in. Hello everyone. So I wanted to share my Boxing Day haul that I got from Daily Grind with all of you. So let me take everything out of the box and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took everything out of the box and it came with this cute little note welcoming me to the Daily Grind family, which is kind of cute. That's really nice. And I actually was originally, just kind of preface everything, I was originally just going to buy this, the cover, which I haven't even looked at. So, oh, that's even prettier in person. Okay, so I originally was just going to buy this, which is their Christmas movie marathon cover. This is really sturdy. Wow. Okay. But for Boxing Day, they had a bundle. And I was going to buy the cover and the dividers. And then when I saw the bundle, I realized I was paying more for just the cover and the dividers. And the bundle comes with the cover, dividers, and the metal discs. I was just going to use my some of my smaller Happy Planner discs, but this comes with the discs that are made for this. So I figured, well, that's perfect. I mean, why pay more and get less, right? So that's why I got the bundle. Again, this was for Boxing Day. And I was going to say they're definitely on the higher side. But after feeling this, the quality feels amazing. So let's go ahead and take a look. I mean, this is pretty heavy. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay, so it feels like really super thick, like chipboard, like 4 pieces of chipboard together. Like that's how thick it is. And you can kind of see the edging there. So actually that's what it looks like. It's merged together. But this is, let's see, I think this is the back cover, this is the front cover. But they are reversible, so you could do it like this. Or the way that I'm going to do it is have this on the front, and then this will be the back. So that's the front, and then that's the back. But it has this beautiful gold foiling. I hope the camera's picking up. And then the front cover has almost kind of like iridescent, like glitter, like on the tree. I don't know if you can see that. But there's foiling there, Christmas movie marathon. And then when you open it, again, this is the other side. So I love the fact that it's reversible. So, you know, depending on my mood, if I want to have this side on the outside, I like the fact that, you know, they didn't put a bunch of writing on the outside other than what's meant to be here. So yeah, this is really heavy duty. So I think it's worth it. Again, it's on the higher end, but I think it's good quality. Now, these are the dividers. And I think this is what I saw first. And then when I realized they had a cover, because I got this because I wanted to make my own Christmas movie marathon planner. Because I usually add all of the Christmas movies that are going to air, you know, on all the different, you know, networks and movie stations, etc. And I create stickers and I put it in my planner. And for like the last 4 or 5 years, it's been working. But each year they come out with more and more movies, and it's kind of like cluttering my planner up, and it's starting to get annoying. Like I literally running out of space because of all the Christmas movies. And so I finally was like, I'm the kind of person that I like to keep all of my tasks in one planner. But I finally was like, you know what, maybe I need like a separate entertainment planner or movie planner, something like that, even if it's just for the Christmas season, just so I have everything in one place. And so I was going to create my own, and I was going to use the dividers with this and, you know, try to maybe create my own Christmas themed cover. But when I saw this, I was like, why create my own when I can just buy it, right? So this is so cute, and I really love that when I saw that it matched the theme of what I wanted. How can I not, right? So, oh, these are, okay, I thought these were, it's kind of like, it's paper, but it's almost like, it's like glossy. It has a really glossy finish, but it's like, well, I shouldn't say glossy. It has a matte finish, but it's like a velvety texture. I guess that's how I would describe it. So this one says, today's forecast, lazy with a 90% chance of Christmas movies. And that's the other side of it. That's super cute. Just wanting to see 2 flannel-clad people fall reluctantly but madly in love. I mean, it's like, this is why I fell in love with this. I mean, it's so cute. Sorry, can't today. Holiday movies are on. Priorities. Absolutely. Like, isn't that cute? I love that they're double-sided. And so the front cover kind of shows a little bit of a peek of the theme, and then the other side shows the rest of it. This one says, my Christmas spirit is measured in movies watched. And that's the other side. And so basically, I'm just going to create, I guess I'm going to punch some paper And you'll see this later on this year because I'm not going to do it now because obviously Christmas is over, but maybe this fall I'll set this up so it'll be ready for the winter season or maybe the end of summer since they start showing movies pretty early. But I have the cover and dividers for it. And then, oh, I just noticed it comes with, what are these? Oh, I think these are maybe divider stickers. Let's see. These are, okay, it looks like white and it has, oh, it has the months. Okay, I was thinking I had to create my own. Okay, so this has all of the months in caps or lowercase, so I can choose. So that's great. So I'll probably do October, November, December, because last year they started showing movies like middle of October. So I think that's what I'll do, and maybe create, I don't know if I'm gonna create maybe like a monthly calendar or something, or if I wanna do weeklies. Again, I haven't really decided all of that yet. But when I do, I'll let you guys know. And this one says, let's see. Okay, so this is kind of like the regular stickers, planner stickers, like quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, projects, fitness, and you know, different headings like important, today, business, calendar, this month, to do, journal. So I mean, actually I think I might save these and use this for something else. The month stickers, I definitely think I'll probably use the caps of these for October, November, December. So that's really nice. I like that they include that so that you can put that on your dividers. So you can, I mean, if you wanted this to be a regular planner, you could. This is going to be a seasonal planner for me. So I really only need 3 of these, but you get 4 dividers. So it came in the bundle with a pack of 4 dividers, and then the cover, and then let's take a look at the metal discs. And I love that these are metal. I love metal discs. Ooh, if I can open it. Oh, this is tight. Okay, I love that it's so well packaged. I might have to cut this. Let's see. Where is my, we'll see if I can find my blade. Okay, I cannot for the life of me find my craft knife. I don't know what I did with it, but we're just gonna use my scissors. And I hate to cut this, but it's like I can't, it's so tight, I can't get my finger in here. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to rip it. Oh! Oh, these are beautiful. Yeah, I thought they were just green, but they have little holly leaves. I don't know if you can see that. There's like little holly leaves etched into the discs. Let's see, is it on both? Yeah, it's on both sides. Oh, that's beautiful. Here's a close-up shot just so you can get a better sense of what these look like. But these are stunning. I mean, I love that it's etched on both sides. That is absolutely beautiful. So I would say all in all, you pay more, but the quality is definitely there. And when they have a sale, take advantage of it because Daily Grind doesn't seem to be on sale very often. Usually, every once in a while, you can get, you know, like maybe 10% off if you use someone's affiliate link. But Boxing Day, I think I got all of this 25% off, if I remember correctly. So this is the cover. These are the dividers, and it comes with these really cute Christmas-themed holly leaf discs, which I love. Now, this kind of looks like it's similar to classic planner size. Let me get a sheet of classic Happy Planner paper and see if that is the same thing. Okay, so here's a Happy Planner divider. Just curious. Oh, it's taller. Okay. So we'll see. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's 10. It has 10 holes versus the 9 for Happy Planner Classic size. So it's 10, so it looks like it's about 3/4 of an inch taller. Okay, I was thinking it was about the same size. So let's see, here's an old planner page. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to cut, I probably should have got a pack of filler paper, but I think what I'll do is just maybe, since I don't really know what I'm going to do yet, I'll probably just print my own weekly or monthly layout, depending on however I want to set up my Christmas movie planner, and then just cut it down to size. So it is slightly larger than a classic size Happy Planner. So just kind of for reference, that's what it looks like. So it's close, but it's taller. It looks like it's the same width, yeah, actually it's exactly the same width. So Happy Planner is what, 7 inches wide by I think 9 1/4 inches tall. So this is probably 10 1/4 or 10 inches. I would get, you know what, let me get my ruler, then I can let you know. Why guess when I can tell you? Let's see. Yeah, so it's 10 inches tall. And I'm guessing since it's the same size as Happy Planner, 7 inches wide. Yep, so 7 inches by 10 inches. So my guess was pretty close based on the difference in terms of sizing. But just to show you a sense of what it looks like in terms of comparison of size. So it's comparable in size, but not exactly the same size. So again, I probably should have gotten filler paper, but since I didn't, I'll probably just, again, make my own, since I really don't know what kind of setup I want to do yet, because I got it early because I was afraid it was going to sell out, and I wasn't sure if they were going to offer this the upcoming year, so I just went ahead and got it now so I would have it. So this is my mini daily grind haul for the Christmas movie marathon. Again, this was a bundle that I got for Boxing Day. I really love it. Again, the quality is exceptional. I love the little touches of gold foil and the iridescent kind of glitter. I like the fact that it has glitter, but it's not messy. The little extra touches, and it's really solid. So this definitely should last for years to come. And I'm excited to be able to create a seasonal Christmas movie planner. So stay tuned for that later, maybe the end of the summer, early fall. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay inspired and thank you for watching.